Hey guys, today I'm going to show you a tutorial on this beautiful look right here. It was what I was wearing in my previous video, so if you want to know how to get this look, please continue watching. Hey guys, so I'm going to start off by priming my eyelids with the NARS Soft Matte Complete Concealer in Chantilly. And I'm going to be using just a small Eco Tools brush. And I have already done my eyebrows. I used the Urban Decay Brow Beater in Taupe and the Glossier Boy Brow in Brown. Okay, so for the star of the show, this is the Wet n Wild Color Icon 5-pan eyeshadow palette in Camo Flaunt, and it is gorgeous. I got this at Dollar General for $3, and I'm blown away. I've been using it every single day. So I'm taking the lightest shade in the palette just to kind of use as a crease shade. And I'm only going to be using 3 out of the 5 shades in this tutorial. So next I'm going to take the deepest color in the palette, which is this beautiful like dark chocolate brown, and I'm going to just focus that on the outer corners of my eye. Now right here I'm just blending everything together. I'm adding a little bit more of that chocolate brown shade while using a MAC 217 brush, and just really blending that darker shade into the crease shade that we used earlier. This shade right here really blew me away. It's the only like glitter in this palette, and at first I thought it was just going to be just a top layer of glitter, and I was not expecting it to fully be a glitter eyeshadow throughout, but it really is. It's so stunning and beautiful, and it has like 3 or 4 different colors in it, very duochrome and just so beautiful on the eyes. It has silver, gold, like a pink, and a green glitter to it, and it is stunning. It is so captivating and beautiful, and I'm so blown away by this. It truly has become, I think, my everyday palette, and now I have to go get the other ones. So now I'm taking the Kylie Highlighter and Ice Me Out, and I'm going to put this in my inner corners and on my brow bone, and I'll also be using it later on my face as my actual highlighter. I've been in love with this highlighter, especially for highlighting the inner corner. It's just so bright and really opens the eyes. Definitely recommend this shade. So now I'm taking the Milk Hydro Grip Primer, and I've been really loving this one. I feel like it really keeps my makeup on all day long. So now I'm going to be taking the KVD Beauty True Portrait Foundation in the shade Light 010. And I actually got this at TJ Maxx. I forgot to put it in my TJ Maxx haul video, but yeah. So I'm just going to put it on this IT Cosmetics Love is the Foundation brush that I got. And I don't typically use brushes for my foundation, but lately I have been, and I've been really liking it. Now I'm going back in with that NARS concealer that we used earlier to use this primer for my eyes, and I'm just gonna kind of highlight my face a little bit with it using that same Eco Tools brush and blending it out. Now I'm going to be taking the Laura Mercier translucent setting powder, which I love, by the way. It's so good, and I'm just going to use that on a Real Techniques sponge and just kind of set my whole face, especially underneath my eyes. Now I'm going to take this e.l.f. Primer Infused bronzer, and you guys, this has probably been my favorite bronzer to use lately. I'm taking it on the NARS Ita brush, and this bronzer, y'all, it's kind of warm, but it gives you that sun-kissed, like beachy tan look, and I really love it. So I'm just adding more bronzer, and I'm just using a different brush, more of like an angled brush, to kind of define it a little bit more and also be a little messy with it. And now I'm taking the Focallure Sun-Kissed blush, and I believe this shade is an Apricot, and it's just this beautiful peachy warm blush, and I feel like it goes really well with this e.l.f. bronzer. It's my everyday go-to blush. I literally use it every single day, and I think it looks so beautiful, especially on fairer skin. I like the more orangey blushes. So this was a great affordable one, and it reminds me of the Cover FX ones, but a lot cheaper. So now we're back at it again with the Kylie Highlighter in Ice Me Out, and I'm going to use this as my all-over face highlighter. This is truly a stunning highlighter, and I've been using this again every single day and just have been really loving it. Now I'm going to take the Tarte Maneater mascara, and this has been amazing. It really coats the lashes and doesn't make my lashes feel really clumpy or anything like that. It separates them and just gives me a lot more volume. Then I realized I needed to put some eyeshadow underneath my eye, so I'm going to go back into the dark, like chocolatey brown shade that we used earlier, and just really define the lower lash line and keep it as close to my waterline as possible. Next, I'm taking the Charlotte Tilbury lip liner and lipstick in the shade Pillow Talk. Finally, to complete this look, I'm using my beloved Urban Decay All Nighter Setting Spray to really lock this look in and keep it staying throughout the day. Thank you guys for watching, and stay for the rest of the video to see some up close looks of the eyeshadow and makeup, and also just me feeling pretty and really trying to capture just how beautiful this eyeshadow really is. And I really hope you guys can get your hands on it. I love you guys.